In today's video, I'm going to teach you, is Cloudways good for agencies? Step-by-step portfolio scaling guide 2026. If your agency is managing 10, 20, or even 50 active client websites, you already know how messy hosting can become. Separate accounts, inconsistent billing, limited access control, and the constant risk of one site affecting another can turn growth into a serious operational headache. What makes Cloudways stand out is that it gives you one central dashboard to manage a large portfolio more efficiently, while still keeping structure and control in place. The first thing to understand is the pricing model. Many traditional managed WordPress hosts charge per website, or they tie your costs to traffic limits. That means a simple low traffic brochure site can cost you just as much as a much larger build. Cloudways works differently. You pay for the underlying server resources, and within that server, you can deploy unlimited applications without arbitrary per-site license caps. For agencies, that creates a much better margin model, especially when you group lower traffic client sites strategically. Once that makes sense, the next priority is organization. Inside your Cloudways dashboard, open projects and create a separate project for each client. This gives you a clean way to group live sites, staging environments, databases, and related records together so your team can scan everything quickly. For larger enterprise clients or heavy WooCommerce builds, it is smart to provision a completely separate server just for them. That way, if one client gets a major traffic spike, it stays isolated and does not impact the rest of your portfolio. As your agency grows, delegation becomes essential. Open the team area in your account and add team members with role-based permissions. Instead of giving everyone broad access, assign only what they actually need. Designers can be limited to staging environments, backend developers can receive SSH or SFTP access, and account managers can be restricted to monitoring or reporting views. This reduces risk and keeps production environments much safer. To speed up delivery, use Cloudways staging. From the application panel, create a staging environment so your developers can test edits on a production-like copy before anything goes live. Once the client approves the work, push those changes to the live site. You can also enable safe updates to automate plugin updates more safely. It creates a backup, runs the update, checks for issues, and rolls back if something goes wrong. Cloudways can also support your revenue model. You can package hosting, backups, security, and performance into monthly maintenance plans while keeping your own infrastructure costs predictable. And if a client ever wants to take ownership, you can transfer the application or server through Cloudways without a complicated migration process. Before wrapping up, review your activity logs and monitoring dashboard. Check that backups are running, staging actions are working properly, team activity looks correct, and server usage stays within healthy limits. That final review helps ensure your agency